So I've had some more time on my hands, so I thought I'd do a quick kind of glam eye for when we're just hanging out at home. Why not go glam? So let me find all my equipment here. I kind of just started this without even thinking. So first I'm working with like a multitude of colors right now because I'm like, why not? So I'm just gonna go in first with this color called Valencia. It's a lighter color, and I'm gonna do my whole lid. And I'm using my Eyeshadow Everything brush, and I'm just putting Valencia all over my lid. And just so you know, I've already primed my eyes. I'm using colors by Maskcara Beauty, one of my favorites. Got a lot of great colors. Alright, so that's on. So, okay, so next we're going in with this darker, brighter orange. It's called Leo. And I'm just going kind of above and into my crease. Going a little bit higher. I'm going in with Leo now to give this a little bit more dimension. If you haven't noticed, I already did the other eye, just in case you're wondering why I'm focusing on one eye. I just did the other eye first. I like to do that because it makes things a little simpler when I'm showing you. You can see one eye done and what we're working towards on the other eye. So Leo just there and just to the corner. That pretty color. Okay, next we're going to dip into some shimmer colors. So I have Bright Eyes and Blondie. I'm going to start with Bright Eyes. Yes, Bright Eyes. We're going to kind of go over here. Look how shimmery that is. I love it. We're going to go about halfway over. Almost halfway over. And I'm also putting a little bit right here in my corner, and I'm using the smudgier end now of my Eyeshadow Everything brush. Alright, I'm just making sure I got it all in there. You know, I'm not going anywhere, so I figured, why not? Let's just glam this up as much as possible. Okay, now we're going to go in with that other shimmer called Blondie, and I'm just going to do this kind of right in the center here. I'm just going in with a little bit brighter gold shimmer. That's all I'm doing right in the center. Just kind of patting that in there. I like it to be a little bit lighter right in the center. And then I'm going to clean off my brush. This is an FF Lemon, by the way, and this works great for eyeshadow brushes. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I don't know, I kind of feel better about doing it. So next we're going to dip into this dark brown color, which is called Cocoa, because I forgot, so I had to peek. Okay, so we are going in with Cocoa right here on the corner, and then we're also going to line the bottom of our lid with that. I got a little much on there, didn't I? Okay, and then we're going to flip the brush around, and then we're going to start blending all this in. So blend up. Blend that cocoa in on the bottom here, as well as on the top. Blend all your other colors together all the way to the top. Just make sure you're good and blended so you don't have any solid blocks of color anywhere. You want everything to be pretty seamless. Okay, and that'll be one last step. Okay, so now we're going to take this very light color. This is Sabrina. It's a little glittery too. And I'm using my blend and tap brush, and I'm going to go right underneath my brow here. And I'm going to do it on this side too, because I think I missed doing it on this side. And we're going to put Sabrina right under the brow there, just to give a little bit of brightness to the top of our eye there. And then you're ready to apply your mascara. Today I'm using Thrive Cosmetics Rich Black Mascara, and I'm just trying this one out. I haven't used it a whole lot yet, so we'll see how I like it. Mascara on the top and on the bottom. Okay, so we're done. Now you have a kind of glam look in case you want to just make your family a nice dinner, set the table, get dressed up, pretend like you're going out to eat. Now you can glam it up for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM me if you are interested in learning a little bit more about mascara or want to get a custom color match. You can click the link in my bio on Instagram, or you're watching this on Facebook, you can click the link above. You can always shop with me too. I always post a link there as well. Have a great day.